In this video, I'm going to be answering one of the most common questions that I get, like, Diana, what is the best traffic source out there? If you ever went into a live event or you met with someone, people ask that, okay? That's the mentality that they have. So I'm going to give you the answer based on my opinion. I'm going to show you what exactly you need to be focused on if you really want to earn money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be answering one of the most common questions that I get, which is about what's the best traffic source. Let me share with you my screen here really fast because I want to show you everything about it. And, you know, this is actually based on my experience, based on my opinion. And what is with the traffic source? A lot of, especially newbies, are asking about this. So one thing that you need to take into consideration is the fact that traffic is just part of the formula if you're looking to make money online. It's literally just part of the equation, but most people get stuck on this part rather than to check on everything because they don't understand. They're like traffic, traffic, traffic. Yeah, it sounds like it is okay. It sounds like it actually makes sense if you put it that way. Like if I double the amount of traffic, I'm gonna get more money online or I'm gonna be making money online. But if you understand the formula, which is traffic plus conversions equals money, you're really gonna understand how to actually make money online. Okay. Get with this, okay? Bear with me here. Traffic plus conversions equals money. Okay. You need to focus on conversion. Okay. This is the key thing. And top affiliates understand this, top marketers understand this. Okay. And I'm going to explain you more about it in a moment. Traffic, it's literally everywhere. You can find it on Facebook. You can create your own Facebook group, even on your profile. Okay. Or you can visit, and create a page, pay for ads, run for ads. The same with Instagram. You can create reels. Okay. And you can start getting traffic, TikTok, YouTube, Google, forums, etc. And just in case that you're wondering, like, then people are really using forums nowadays. Yes, they're still using forums. So if you want to get traffic, it's literally everywhere. If you want to get overnight traffic, you can use pay ads, but that doesn't mean that you are going to be earning money because remember that this is just part of the equation. Remember, traffic plus conversion equals money. So it's really important to get traffic, yes, but it's also important and it's key here of what do you do with that traffic that you get the conversion. Okay. Because if you don't get the conversion and if you're just getting eyeballs, you're not going to be earning money. That's why there is a lot of influencers out there with a huge following and they're barely making some money because they don't know how to monetize it. They don't know how to convert that traffic, those eyeballs that they have with money and how you can actually convert it. Well, there are things that you can get into consideration. For example, um, well, here you need traffic that converts. I actually misspelled here convert. And okay, you need to make sure that you're going to be having all of this. Okay. If you want to convert your traffic, you need to make sure that you have a lead magnet. Okay. If you don't know how to create a lead magnet, you can nowadays use Chat GPT and ask Chat GPT to create a lead magnet for you. It can be a cheat sheet. It can be an ebook. It can be a PDF. It can be a video. It can be a webinar. Okay. You need to make sure that you have a sales funnel. Okay. You need to capture people's name and email. I do see a lot of people out there who are getting traffic and they're sending people directly to the sales page, begging like someone is going to make the purchase. And that's not how this works. You need to capture people's emails and name. You need to build a relationship with them through the email sequence, providing value. Okay, this valuable information can be you just writing it down. If you have a blog, you can write on a blog. If not, you can write it directly on your email sequence. If there is some videos that you created out there, if there is a live that you're going to be doing out there, okay. And something key here is that you need to make sure that you have different stream of income, okay. And there is another key thing here, okay. If you understand the value ladder, you're going to be earning more money. Why? Because let's say that this is going to be your value ladder, okay? You're giving away something for free. Here is your lead magnet. Then chances are that you have, let's say, a $20 product. If you're just offering this, hey, you're going to be earning just $20. Let's say that this is your commission. Maybe you have here a program that pay you 297. So now there are going to be people who are just going to keep here on the free thing. They are people who take action right away and they're going to purchase a $20 thing. But that's also really important why you need to create a relationship with them because, at the end of the day, people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. Okay. So there are people who are going to purchase this because they feel comfortable in this level. There are going to be people who are going to purchase this. Let's say that here you have a $2,000 product. Here you have a $10,000 product. Not a lot of people are going to purchase this, but it makes sense that you could get a high ticket commission and you are going to be earning way more money. And if you're like, hey, right now, of every 100 people, 10 of them decide, to go with my lead magnet. Well, that's a 10%. But if you can increase that, maybe you can improve your lead magnet. Maybe it doesn't make a lot of sense with your content, okay? And you can fix this number. And rather than do 10% now, it's going to be 15%. Okay, it's the same amount of traffic that you're sending, but the conversion is way better. You're going to be earning way more money because you're going to have 5% more possibilities to get a high ticket commission. Okay. And remember, not just promote one product. Okay. And the way to do this is by creating a funnel. Okay. And having an email sequence. Right now, by the time recording this video, I'm using ClickFunnels and also I'm using GetResponse. I'm going to be leaving a link below if you want to give it a try. But there is another tool that you can test, which is System.io. It's an all-in-one marketing solution. You can open literally a free account. They're not going to be asking you for a payment method. And you can literally open your account right now and start creating your business. Okay. One really nice thing about affiliate marketing is the fact that we can have different value ladders. Okay. Most people don't understand this because this can be, and depending on the product that you actually choose, this can be product one with one value ladder. Maybe you have product number two. Okay. Since they're already on your email sequence, now you're not gonna provide something for free. So maybe right now they have a $97. They have a $497 product here. Maybe they have, I don't know, 5K here, and then they have a 10K here. Okay. So you can have multiple value ladders because you have different stream of income. This is the benefit of being an affiliate. And by the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below with my number one recommendation so you can have more information about this. Okay. Right now we are offering a free training. I don't know for how long we're going to be offering the training for free, but you can check the free training below. So if you have another product, you can have another value ladder. Okay. So that's why I put it here that you need different income streams. Okay. But all the income streams are really important, but you need to understand that you need to create content that makes sense to your target audience. Okay. And this is something that I have seen so many people like, man, I have a lot of traffic, but it's not converting. Oh, maybe this social network is not working. Maybe blah is not working. No, if the content that you're creating is not congruent with what you're trying to sell, what you're offering, you are not gonna earn money because it doesn't make sense. Okay, so it needs to be congruent with what you're offering. It needs to make sense to your target audience. And remember, guys, that right now you know this, so you are not a newbie anymore. So you need to remember the equation: traffic plus conversion equals money. Okay. So it is not the same to talk directly to your target audience with information that actually makes sense. You can have maybe 100 of them, and maybe 50 of them are going to convert because it actually makes sense, rather than to send 10,000 people that they don't know what you're talking about. Okay. And that's not going to convert. So you need to take this into consideration. Remember that nowadays traffic is literally everywhere. I think we're in an era that traffic it's easier to get than before. Okay. So, but you need to understand all of this and make sure that you're building a value ladder and you're partnering with products that are offering value ladders. Okay. And I miss one type of product here, which is the monthly recurring revenue. Okay. Products that are going to be paying you every single month as long as the customers stay with them. Okay. So you need to consider that as well. If for some reason there is a product that you like, but they don't have other upsells or back end products, you will need to create your own value ladder. That's also valid as well. Okay. But it's going to be a little bit more hard work. Okay. So remember, guys, if you want to learn more about this topic, check the very first thing in the description. Okay. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, share this with someone you think he or she might be interested on this kind of information. And I see you guys on the next video.